muri Zimbabwe aiwa Nelson Chamisa azodonedza our resolution yake yema-flood elections akatika mugore rapfuura mugore ra2023. aiwa munhu sangakarimirira akataura kuti ari kuilonja muzara nhasi. pamwe maona video racho aiwa panga paFacebook yendo pake, asi ndati ndikuvigire speech yake muzvinzwire panapa. Sasa tataura speech ino kuti bva subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Nelson Chamisa anonyora achiti, fellow citizens, may I hasten to say that the following and exhaustion of available remedies and peaceful means to resolve national issues is not a manifestation of weakness or that we are devoid of other ideas and means. It is our strict commitment to find each other and amicably resolving our points of conflict, disjuncture and disagreement. Saka first paragraph ataura zvekuti aiwa ku resolve this dispute munhu afana kucontribute, tofana kuva one thing, tofana kuva ne unit. aiwa to bring up my differences edu togara pasi to resolve kuti tikwanise kunza independence munyika yedu munyika yeZimbabwe. Vanoendera mberi vachiti, we have committed to a peaceful resolution of disputes and intend to exhaust all available peaceful remedies. As you are all aware, millions of you agree with this approach. Zimbabwe is too beautiful and precious to be destroyed by flames of political disputes under our watch. Peace is fragile. Peace is sacrosanct. And the breakdown of peace knows no winner. The opposite of peace leaves us losers. Our beautiful country can never progress on the back of disunity and the successive disrupted national process, including contested elections. We are acutely aware of the urgency of this matter, and more importantly that there can never be any talk of 2028 or a viable and stable future for this country without resolving August 2023, the broken past and the disputed politics. It remains our hope, and indeed your hope, that all these concerns will be addressed with urgency and seriousness. Saka ndo nyau yari kunyanya kuadresa Nelson Chamisa achiti aiwa hatingamboi kuna 2028 kuti tino resolve kana kuno electa kana kunoita mamwe ma-elections pasina kuresolve madispute akaitika muna 2023. achiti aiwa anga akanyanyisa, akatadza kumita ma-standards. Out of 20 yakatadza kumita 17 ma-standards kana ma-protocols, ikakwanisa ngomita 3. chiti azva zvikanyanyisa, hatikakwanisi kuti tisvike kuna 2028 2023 kusati kwaresolviwa. mashoko atekwa naNelson Chamisa murevolution yake. Anoendera mberi achiti, we have engaged different stakeholders within the Sadc region at heads of state level. I have engaged leaders through delegations that I sent to the various capitals of the region and the continent to brief esteemed excellencies about the election dispute, the political stalemate, and our proposed way forward. I therefore argue you to take an active role in peacefully determining the destiny of our country. I exhort you, fellow citizens, the intercessors and the church to the country to pray for a smooth and peaceful transition in our country. Stay the course, hold the fort, hold fast and stand involved. Stand ready, change is upon us. Hashtag for everyone. God is in it. God bless you. God bless Zimbabwe. I thank you. Under my name and hand, Chamisa. Ndobvaisa signature yake. Mashoko advocate Nelson Chamisa ava advocate vachitaura nhau yema-flood elections egore rakapera kati aiwa ndiri ndega ndiri 1 aiwa rume rimwe haringakombi. Tinotoda kuti tiungane tese as a whole, tiunite kuti tigoita kuti dispute yakaitika gore rakapera muna 2023 igoresolvwa. Mashoko aNelson Chamisa aya aiwa pindai mucomment section medu mumbotudza mafunguro enyu. Maiona speech yake, tudze mafunguro enyu, musangano subscribe, kulike, chero tina on the bell icon.